Hi, honeys. How's you all's day going so far? Mine is going fine. Okay, I'm getting ready to make a smoothie in my Blendtec blender. Stay tuned. Okay, y'all, we're supposed to start with a liquid. So, I'm just using bottled water. I don't have any apple juice or anything. I'm using these frozen strawberries. I think I got them from Dollar Tree. Not sure. I'm allergic to strawberries, but that's okay. I got some blueberries. I want to use up all this fruit out my freezer. It's taking up space. I want some new stuff. Got some raspberries. I'm not allergic to them. Whoops. Come on now. What else I want to use? I got the frozen banana. I let sit out. When the bananas get brown like this, that's when they're at their sweetest. This has been in the freezer. And every time we open the freezer door, it keeps falling out. I don't want all these strings. Even though that's fiber and it's supposed to be healthy. No. Don't want that. Let me get rid of this nasty stuff. Nah. Put it there. Okay, what else? Put some unsweetened applesauce in it. Now why I do this and I ain't got no spoon? I'm putting some yogurt. Blueberry yogurt. I like the Activa. It's good, yo. I don't have any more infused water, else I would have put some of that in here. Let's see how this does. Is that it? Let's see. Yep. Put on the smoothie setting. I hope that's enough liquid. Okay. Looks good. It's good. I wasn't sure how much I was going to have. So I had both of these bottles ready. The big one and the smaller one. That smoking was going so fast. big one. Or should I put it in my glass? Nice and thick and smooth. Y'all see that? So I'll probably make some more, fill this thing up so I have some for a couple days. That's what I'll do. Okay. See how it looks? And the blueberries give it that pretty color. Tastes like one of those frozen fruit bars. I forgot what you call them. Nice and sweet. I guess it's healthy. I don't know, but it's good. And it's better than eating ice cream or sherbet. So, if you like this video of me making a smoothie, please give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and you all have a very blessed day. Bye. Okay, I did make another batch. I didn't have any more banana or blueberries, but this is strawberry and raspberry. Look at that. Give the taste test. A bit of pull through this straw. You can see how smooth that is. It's good. Thanks for watching. Bye for real.